Okay, so when you're graphing in Google Sheets, you should have some data. So I'm going to show you just two examples. So in this one, I'm graphing numbers and numbers. And so what you're going to want to do is, if you are wise, and kind of outline up here, like title what this column is and this column is, you can select them. And then you can do one of two things. You can either select this icon right here, which is an insert a chart, or you can go insert chart. Either one of those two is going to help you with the creating a graph. So if I insert a chart, and it's going to give me a chart here, and it's going to give me a few different things. There's going to be some suggestions. Google's going to guess as to what you think you might want. So you can have a line, you can have dots, you can have a column chart, you can have an area chart, you can even scroll down and do some other things. So that's how you get your basic chart. Notice that when I had my headings here, it automatically put them there as my titles. You can also go here to customize and jazz up your chart. You can change what kind of a chart it is. You can change the axes and chart titles. You can give yourself some different colors, etc. Okay, so that's one way to create a chart. Now, let's say you're going to graph some things that are looking at some text and some numbers. That's okay. Again, you can highlight your things, highlight your columns, and I'm going to go ahead and click the chart icon this time. And again, it's going to give you some different ways you can represent your data. So you can do a pie chart, you can do a column chart, you can kind of play around with what chart do you think is best in terms of representing your data. So have fun exploring Google Sheets in how to represent your data.